Hey guys, today is Navratri day 2 and today's color theme is white. So quickly let us see how I created this white based glamorous makeup look. I'm starting off with a primer. This is the NYX Honeydew Me Up primer. Applying this all over my face and then I'm moving on to the color corrector. So I'm taking the Nykaa's orange color corrector and covering it all over my hyperpigmentation. To conceal it all, I'm using a foundation by Stars Cosmetics. This is a shade that is very close to my skin shade. And for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330. So this is for extra coverage and also for a little bit of brightness. So I'm setting the base makeup with some translucent powder. I'm also actually packing it under my lower lash line to catch any fall offs from my eye makeup. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm going with the Makeup Revolution Foil Frenzy palette, and this has got beautiful shades of foiled eyeshadows, and I'm taking the silvery shade and I'm creating a base with this, and then I'm going over the base with the Swiss Beauty Liquid Glitter eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Moonlight. I think I'll leave it in the description. Then I'm adding a little bit of green touch to the white because it needs to cut the color. Only white will look very monotonous. And I am actually creating this look based on a jewelry piece, which is the star of the show. Applying the green to the outer corners and the lower lash line. Next, I'm moving on to my eyebrows. I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit and I'm filling my brows and shaping it a little bit. For blush, I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 Pure Rouge blusher and I'm adding some color to my cheeks, and then I'm moving on to the highlighter, which is the Nykaa Duo highlighter. I'm applying this on my cheekbones, my brow bones and my nose. Then I'm moving on to the mascara, which is the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and I'm coating all of my upper lashes and lower lashes with this. Then I'm moving on to my lipstick, which is the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Mad Magenta. And this is the star of the show, a beautiful Meenakari earrings that I bought on Flipkart in their Big Billion Days. This is by Zaveri Pearls. I got it for less than 200 bucks. That's crazy, right? I'm using some stone bindis to add detailing to my eyeshadow, and then we are done. This makeup look turned out so much more prettier than what I had in my mind. It looks so festive and at the same time it looks really elegant. You can wear it on saris and salwars. I hope you liked this look. If you did, then do give this video a huge thumbs up and also follow me for more amazing looks to come during the Navratri.